The DJI Mini 5 Pro is finally breaking cover, and leaks are coming in fast from trusted sources, suggesting this will be DJI's most impressive lightweight drone to date. After the success of the Mini 4 Pro, which elevated sub-250G drones to professional levels, DJI seems determined to redefine the category yet again with its next-gen foldable flyer. According to multiple leaks from Drone XL, Jasper Ellens, and official FCC filings, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch as early as August 7, 2025, though some industry insiders believe DJI might delay the release until early September to align with global retail cycles. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The most stunning revelation is the introduction of a 33.5 Wh battery, a substantial upgrade from the 18.9 Wh battery in the Mini 4 Pro. This translates to an astonishing 45 to 51 minutes of flight time, making it the longest-flying sub-250G drone DJI has ever made. For travelers, filmmakers, and drone hobbyists, this alone is a game-changer. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is also expected to continue the trend of Category 1 compliance, meaning it will remain under the 249G weight limit even with upgraded internals, allowing users in the US, Europe, and other jurisdictions to fly without needing remote pilot licenses or registration for recreational use. This sub-250G class continues to be one of the most competitive in the drone market, and DJI has mastered the formula. Leaks indicate that DJI has added front-facing LiDAR sensors for precision obstacle detection and smoother autonomous flight capabilities. Combined with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, this marks a major safety and usability upgrade, especially for users flying in complex environments like urban landscapes or dense forests. The addition of LiDAR would also make the Mini 5 Pro the first ultralight consumer drone in DJI's lineup to feature laser-based sensing technology, previously reserved for enterprise-level drones. In terms of camera technology, expectations are sky-high. DJI is rumored to be integrating a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, an upgrade over the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This upgrade would bring improved low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and enhanced sharpness, closing the gap between compact drones and higher-end models like the Mavic 3 Pro. The larger sensor could also allow the Mini 5 Pro to shoot 5.4K video at 60 frames per second, as well as slow-motion 4K at 120 frames per second, making it a powerhouse for content creators. The gimbal structure is also said to be redesigned with a wider tilt range and improved vibration dampening. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro may feature Hasselblad color science, which has been part of DJI's premium lineup, for richer, more cinematic footage. Other design improvements include refined motors, better heat dissipation vents, and potentially one-piece propeller blades to optimize flight efficiency. Early leaked images show slightly larger motor housings with a new vented design for improved airflow. Reports also suggest that DJI will offer the Mini 5 Pro with both standard and plus battery versions, with the standard staying under 249G and the plus providing longer flight time at a slightly higher weight, which would place it in a different drone category in some regions. This dual battery option gives users flexibility. You can fly lightweight and legal, or extended for cinematic missions. One of the most discussed features among the leaks is the improved OcuSync